Hi, this is Matthew with Hometown Hybrids. Today we're going to walk you through the steps needed to reprogram the mileage on your Toyota Prius second generation combination meter. Now, fixing your car is not a crime, even when it comes to reprogramming an odometer. Federal law is clear on this. U.S. Code section 32704 states, "A person may service, repair, or replace an odometer of a motor vehicle if the mileage registered by the odometer remains the same as before the service, repair, or replacement." So the hardware you need is an EEPROM reader and a 6-position Pogo adapter. To find the Pogo adapter, just go to eBay and search for Toyota 2.54. I purchased this top one and it works absolutely fine. For the EEPROM reader, I purchased mine directly from mcumall.com. You're going to want the GQ4X-V4. The light pack is all you need. You don't need any of the adapters that come with the full pack. To connect the Pogo adapter to the EEPROM reader, you'll have to use an adapter, jumper wires, or even just cut and strip the wires on the end of the adapter. Hook it up so pins 1 through 6 match up with these slots on the EEPROM reader. When you read or write from the combination meter, you will use these 6 pads on the back of the unit. Simply press the Pogo adapter onto these pads to make a good connection. It's important that the combination meter is unplugged and unpowered during all reads and writes. You will need to download a USB driver and the EEPROM program software. Both of these can be found on the MCU Mall website. They're located under Technical Resources, Programmer, Software, Download. The two you'll need are currently number 2 and 3. This one is the software, and this one is the driver. Pick the appropriate version for your operating system when downloading the driver. You will need to install the driver first. You will have to right-click on the file and choose Run as Administrator. After that, go ahead and install the EEPROM software itself. Once both are installed, you'll have to set up the software. Go ahead and run the USB PRG program. Click on Device, Device List, search for 93C66B. Choose the 16-bit option, then click on the arrows to add it to My Favorite Devices. Click Select to return to the main window. I've uploaded a spreadsheet to bit.ly/combometer to help with the programming. Highlight the number under desired mileage and put in the mileage you need. In this example, we'll put in 111111. Tab over to the next column and press Ctrl-C to copy the data. The USB programming software cuts the data when I paste it in, so I added zeros to the end. If you don't have that issue or you use a different software, copy the code from the alternate column instead. Back inside the USB PRG app, click on Buffer, then click on Read while the Pogo adapter is pressed on the pads as shown before. I usually have to click on this a couple times to get a good read. It's a good idea to save this buffer in case you have to revert to it later. To upload the new mileage code you got from the spreadsheet, simply click the top left number in the buffer and hit Ctrl-V. Now click on Write and it'll write the new information to the combo meter. After it writes the data, it will verify it was written correctly. If you're having trouble, double check that the Pogo adapter is making contact with all 6 pads on the combo meter. If you don't want to go through this yourself, you can send us your combination meter, we can repair it, or if we can't repair it, we can replace it and program the new one to match your existing mileage. If you have any questions about this, send us an email to sales@hometownhybrids.com. Thank you.